Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I am sharing several quick and simple Dollar Tree DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go.
For the first DIY, I started off by spray painting the 3 jars with an ivory spray paint and let them dry for 10 to 15 minutes. To give it some detail, I'm going to be adding these rub-on transfers that I got at the Dollar Tree a while back.
What a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you.
I wanted to make it look more distressed, so I decided to sand it down a little bit.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel.
I'm going to just add these wood beads on the bottom of the pan, and I still thought it kind of looked a little bit too simple, so I decided to add some ivory chalk paint.
Another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go.
Next step, once they were done drying, I just added some twine bows on each jar, and to fill them up, I decided to use some lamb ears.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town. Skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you.
For the second DIY, it was super simple. I just added some black acrylic paint on the top and the bottom of the planter and let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes.
It goes, I won't let go again. We have time to grow. This wasn't a mistake, and we can grow old if you love me again, my friend. This time is different, so please do not let me go. Please do not let me go. It was years ago, but I still see your face.
So it wouldn't look too simple, I decided to add some random spots of black paint, and once it was done drying, I just sanded the whole planter down.
Thought the love wasn't for me, no. I still think of you. I still dream of you. But if you hold me close, I won't let go again.
I'm going to be doing the same like the first DIY by adding some wood beads on the bottom.
Grow old if you love me again. was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. I did a lot of bad things, and never did I give.
For the last and final DIY, I'm going to be painting these two clay pots that I had, and I really wanted a kind of light gray color, so I mixed some ivory and black paint together.
Never felt home till you entered my door.
Next, I'm just putting apart this wire trash can.
Is whatever you choose. That's the thing.
I had cut up a part that I thought was enough to cover the clay pot, and I'm just going to be adding it with some hot glue and just removing the extra wire that was left.
From that moment, I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms, I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you make sure I'm all you've missed. Baby, it takes just one kiss. Many years have gone.
I'm going to be adding two random rub-on transfers onto this piece of cardboard paper, and I will just cut them up and add them onto the center of the clay pots.
Long as you still want me to. All the things we've been through, everything that's been you. There isn't anything else that I wish I had done to be true. Yeah, that's the thing about you. The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting.
Now I'm just going to be adding some greenery I had and some lavender floral as well.
Missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms,
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, and that way you don't miss any of my weekly videos. With all of that said, I hope y'all stay safe and God bless.